Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to use clove water for my hair. It's very easy to make. All you need is some water and cloves. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of cloves in a jar, 1 cup of hot water, and let it sit overnight. Here is the next day, and this is how our clove water should look like. Strain it and it's ready for use. So here is the best way to use clove water. So you have to spray it all over your hair and scalp, and you will massage for at least 2 to 5 minutes. It's really important to massage your scalp. It will help the product to penetrate on your scalp, and it will also help with the blood flow. And you need to seal all that hydration with an oil. Here I'm using our elba oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. So I'm using this 3 times a week, but for best results you can use it every day. It's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. See you in my next video. Bye.